everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Qingqing. Today I would like to share with you how I turned a pair of men's pants to a vest. It's the one I'm wearing now. I draw a very simple pattern. At the end of the video, I will share with you several inspirations so you can do further creations based on this version. Let's go! Now we start drawing the pattern, the back piece. The length of the vest I give 50 centimeters and the neck 8 centimeters. The neck depth I give 3 centimeters. The shoulder weight is 18 centimeters, which is half of my shoulder weight. The shoulder slope I give 3 centimeters. The armhole is 22 centimeters. And a quarter of the bust I give 22 centimeters because I want the vest has a loose fit. Then we carefully draw the curve line for the armhole and also the neckline. Now we go to the front piece. The only difference is the neck depth is 18 centimeters. Then at the waistline I go inside 3 centimeters and the middle line go up 1 centimeters. Then we connect these 2 points to draw a slight curve line. I'm sorry that this part was not filmed by my camera, but you will see later. After adding 1 centimeter seam allowance, we are ready to cut the pattern. Then we align the pattern with the fabric of the pants, piece by piece. Then we cut carefully the fabric. Now I have cutted all the fabrics, including the lining. We are ready to sew. We start by connecting the two back pieces. Then also the shoulder line. We place the main fabric and the lining fabric face to face. We need to carefully align the shoulder line and use the pin to hold it. Then we use the pin to carefully hold the armhole as well. Then we sew the two armholes. Now we start to pin and sew the front piece, except at the hemline we leave half of the distance and sew. I'm sorry if I explained clearly, but you can see my hands indicate. I believe it's clearer than what I explained orally. Then we use the scissors to cut the curved edges, just to ensure when we sewing it placed well. Now we just pull it inside out from the unsewed area at the back piece. Now we're about to finish just by connecting the two sides. We just place the front and the back side together and the lining to the lining, main fabric to the main fabric, and we connect them and sew it. And we do the same for the other side as well. Lastly, we just use invisible hand stitch to close the unsewed area. And here is the results. I hope you will try by yourself as well. And please keep up your creativity. You can add buttons or have a tie front. See you next time.